2 chord on guitar, we have Flume here featuring Louise. And this song is called Hollow. So Flume, I believe it's first time here on this channel. I've been wanting to cover songs from Flume before, but sometimes they're just way too experimental. This time, yeah, it was a great song, Hollow. So let's start with this up-tempo song. We have the capo set here on the 3rd fret, and we have 6 different chords to cover here. So let's start with D minor. All right, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. The next chord will be C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. F next. So put a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And speaking of G, next chord is G. So we have 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So there we have the chords D minor, C, A minor, F, G, and E. All right. So let's start the song here, the first verse. You will play the following chords: C, D minor, and A minor. All right. For the first round, you will play just one down chord: C, D minor, and A minor. That's the first chord progression round. For the next round, you'll play the same chords, same order. We will look at the strumming pattern, and that one will be for C, since that is the first chord, down, up, clap. So, like this: down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap. It's a short break after the first down, and then comes up and clap immediately after that. So like this. All right. So the first chord progression round: C, D minor, A minor, just one down per chord like this. And then you're gonna play the strumming pattern for one chord progression round, and you will play that 2 times on C, 2 times on D minor, and 4 times on A minor. So that will be down, clap, then D minor, down, clap, and A minor 4 times. All right. So that will be the first verse. The second verse in the lyrics: and you make me wanna look twice. You're gonna continue with the same chord progression there, the C2, D minor 2, and A minor 4. And we will have a strumming pattern there. It will be pretty much the same, but you will add a down after the clap. So it will be down, a clap, down. So with the C, since that is the first chord, it will be down, a clap, down, down, a clap, down, down, a clap, down, down, a clap, down, like this. All right. So C2, D minor 2, A minor 4. With this new strumming pattern, you do that for 2 rounds, and that will be like this. That was the second verse, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. Wherever you may go, part of me follows. So I hope you feel bad for us here on guitar. Anyway, pre-chorus 1, that's what we sing here in the lyrics, and we will have just one down per chord now, okay? So I'm gonna just take you through this pre-chorus and play one down while I'm speaking. So starting with F, then G, then A minor, and D minor. Next strum will be F, G, D minor, and D minor. And that is the pre-chorus. So F, G, A minor, D minor, F, G, D minor, D minor. And then comes the chorus, but when I am hollow, that's where are the lyrics. Okay, so you're gonna continue the strumming that we had for the second verse, the down, up, clap, down. So nothing new there, but we have new chords. So the chord progression here will be F2, then G2, then A minor 2, and E2. That chord progression, F2, G2, A minor 2, E2, you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. And then we have this ending in the chorus, in the lyrics, look twice, look twice, look twice, look twice. Okay, so you're gonna continue with the same strumming and play F2, A minor 2, and C4. All right, so I'm gonna take you through this chorus. I'm gonna slow down tempo a little bit so I can speak me while I'm playing. So let's go with the same strumming through the entire chorus, starting with F2. G2, G2, A minor 2, E2. Again, F2, G2, A minor 2, E2. Then F2, A minor 2, C4. Again, F2, A minor 2, and C4. So that is the chorus. All right, so we will move on here to the third verse. Okay, so you will play the C2, the D minor 2, and A minor 4 with the strumming down, up, clap. Down, up, clap, down, up, clap, like this, okay? So it will be played in the same way as the second verse, C2, D minor 2, A minor 4, but you will play with the strumming from the verse 1, sorry, so down, up, clap, okay? You do that now for 3 rounds. So I'm gonna take you through 1 round and it will sound like this. That is 1 round, play that for 3 rounds, and that is your third verse. That takes us to the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first one, with only 1 down for the chords F, G, A minor, D minor, F, G, D minor, D minor. Quick run through there. Same way as the first one. So, second chorus, you will play that in the same way as the first chorus. The only difference here is you're gonna skip the last parts, this look twice, look twice, look twice, look twice lyric parts, which means you skip the F2, A minor 2, C4 times 2. Okay, you just skip that part, otherwise it's the same as the first chorus. Then comes a post-chorus. Okay, so in the lyrics, I've got some feelings of fire. All right, fiery. You're gonna use the strumming down, up, clap, down, up, clap. We know that by now. And with the chords F2, G2, A minor 2, and E2. Okay, so you recognize that is the chord progression for the chorus, but you will use the down, up, clap. You play that chord progression for 2 rounds, so G2, A minor 2, E2. Play that for 2 rounds and you have finished the post-chorus and you are at the final chorus, the third one. You will play that in the same way as the first chorus, but you will have this look twice. Instead of 2 rounds, you play now for 4 rounds. Okay, so 4 rounds of the loop twice F2, A minor 2, C4. And that will end and cover Flume and Louise song called Hollow. So yeah, pretty simple song, I believe, just to separate these different strumming patterns. And if you play an extra down here and there, it doesn't ruin anything. So yeah, I just want to be specific sometimes with how you can handle songs. But yeah, do it in your way. You have the chords here, so play with it. And good luck. Play tuned.